Hello, I'm Sadaf, and today I would like to express my opinions on why people who have higher IQs are not necessarily better language learners. Firstly, I would like to express that this is completely wrong, and in my defense, I would like to cite Chomsky's theory of universal grammar, in which he stated that intelligence is not related to language learning. As long as the IQ is not so low that it creates mental disabilities, if that's the case, then it is an issue. But otherwise, if your IQ is even average or above average or high, it doesn't matter. You will learn language because IQ doesn't have to do much with language, unlike other skills which you will excel in if you have a higher IQ. I would like to cite my experiences as a language learner. I have been learning English, which I did mostly on my own, but I would like to talk about my Spanish learning experience. In that class, there were people who were professors in my Spanish class. They were very brilliant in their fields, in computer science, maths, physics, and on the other hand, there were people of average IQ like me who are not that very good in technical fields. And people, there were average people, there were brilliant people, and I noticed that our level of language learning was almost the same, because language learning depends on your motivation, the techniques you use, the input you receive in your target language, the teacher, techniques, and so many other factors. It depends on you and on your practice, how much dedication you have, and IQ has nothing to do with it. Like I mentioned, unless you have your IQ is so low that you can't even perform daily functions, that is another issue. Okay. So basically, I would like to say that language learners should not be disheartened by their IQ. Often, a lot of language learners say that no, I'm not intelligent enough, or I'm not really a good language learner. It has nothing to do with their intelligence. It is mostly about their commitment, their level of motivation, why they want to learn a language. If that's not strong, if they don't have intrinsic motivation, I believe intrinsic motivation is a lot more important than extrinsic motivation, because when I started learning Arabic, I noticed that I did not have any motivation at all, apart from some extrinsic motivation from my family, some pressure from my family. So, but on the other hand, when I started learning Spanish and English, I had intrinsic motivation. I wanted to be able to explore their culture, to be able to communicate with them in their language, and that's why I feel like I have done a lot better in these areas as compared to those. And finally, I have an average IQ. I'm not very brilliant, so language learning is totally dependent of your IQ. And thank you so much for taking the time to review my assignment, and have a good day. Bye bye.